I have seen some massive stock market moves that can literally change your lives. And I'll be really honest, I have missed some of them. Actually, I have missed most of them. And of course, as you know, the regret is really hard. You know the feeling that the stock was there on your watch list, but you never acted upon it. Or your attention was somewhere else. Like, I think this has happened with most of us. So how do you make sure that you don't miss those winners, those big moves in future? Because missing ones, of course, hurts, and missing again and again makes you think that the universe is trying to conspire something against you. You almost feel like giving up the world of stock markets. That's where these tracking positions come in. This was actually taught to me by my mentors, and I've also seen a lot of super traders use it to track on stocks that might explode. So what the hell is a tracking position? In trading, a tracking position, sometimes also called a pilot position or feelers, is simply a very small starter position that you take in a stock. Here you're not trying to make big money with it. You're mainly using it to track, observe, and test how the market behaves before committing the real size. Personally, I like to take just 0.25, that tiny position off my portfolio for this starting position. So if the stock fails, the loss barely matters to me. But if the stock starts holding up or breaking out, I already have a foot in, and I can start building a real position from there. The magic of tracking position is basically they're like lottery tickets with better odds. But instead of buying random tickets, you're buying skill filtered tickets, which are your high setups. Think of it like dipping your toe in the water. Limited risk, but maximum learning and engagement. So here are some reasons why a tracking position is so powerful. Number one, it keeps you engaged. See, once you've got your money in even a little amount, have you realized that you start paying attention? Without it, the setups on your favorite stocks are really easy to ignore. Your favorite stock will be lying in the watch list and you'll be doing nothing out of it. And that's how breakouts slip by. The second reason is that the risk is tiny. Because the position size is so small, if it turns against you, the loss doesn't sting you. Think of it as a cheap tuition fees to just understand and study how the market is behaving. The third reason is real-time feedback. With a tracking position, you can see how your stock is behaving near the support and resistance. This usually tells you if the strength is real or is just noise. The fourth reason is better psychology. You know that big positions create pressure. A small one keeps you calm, focused, and objective on the setup instead of your profit and loss figure. The fifth reason is scale in opportunity. See, if the position works, you're already in. You can just start adding as the stock starts proving itself. And if it fails, there's literally no harm done. The sixth reason is it reduces regret. See, if you take that position and if the stock runs without you, at least you caught a piece. And if it flops, then the loss is minimal. The seventh one is it sharpens timing. With these tracking positions on your favorite stocks, you actually start learning the stock's personality, how it moves, how it behaves, how it trades. And you learn all of this by actually being in it, not just watching it. It's basically also like an active form of learning. Now, why these tracking positions can help you unlock those big returns is because first, it improves your luck surface area. By planting these many seeds, you spread across potential winners. The second one is these tracking position actually let the market pick the winners for you. You don't have to guess which stock will be the big monster. The market literally shows it to you. It's like playing a poker game where the cards are revealed and now you can strategize your next move. And creating these tracking positions also compounds over time. It helps you keep filtering those high quality setups. Keep planting those seeds, and the few that might explode can actually give you those 3-digit returns. So that's the magic of tracking positions. Low risk, high information, and the chance to catching those life-changing moves without chasing it. With these tracking positions, you don't actually need to predict the winner. You let the market decide. And when it does, you're already in the game, ready to scale. Think of it again like as planting seeds. Most won't grow into giant trees, but the few ones which do can transform literally your entire garden. And of course, the way to grow those trees are to keep planting. I've started using this tracking position technique since a couple of months, and I really believe there's some magic out here. They're not just a safety net. I feel they are a real piece of puzzle to achieving those big returns. But then again, that's my take. What do you guys think of this? Have you guys ever used the tracking positions, or do you prefer to wait to go all in? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See ya.